What is data? What is data?
The collection of raw facts and figures is called data. The word raw means that the facts have not yet been processed to get their exact meanings.
Data may be of the following types: numeric data, alphabetical data, alphanumeric data, image data, audio data, video data. Numeric data. Numeric data consists of numeric digits from 0 to 9 like 0, 2, 4, 5. The numeric type of data may either be positive or negative. Alphabetical data. Alphabetical data consists of alphabetical letters from A to Z and blank space. For example, information technology. Alphanumerical data. Alphanumerical data consists of alphabetical letters and numeric digits and all special letters like hash, at the rate, double quotation, and %. Image data. Image data consists of charts, graphs, pictures, and drawings. Audio data. Audio data consists of music, speech, and another sound. Video data. Video data consists of a full motion image played at high speed.
If you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon for updates.